Okay. We continue. So we already learned about apakah, and then apa. What else? Siapa, and then berapa, right? Di mana, kemana, dari mana, and then yang mana, kapan, yes, apakah, berapa, ya berapa, keberapa ya, keberapa, ya, we already learned this question words. Apakah for yes or no question ya. This is for yes or no question. Like misalnya Inggrisnya do or to be, do, does, or is, are. So we use apakah. Yes or no question. Do you go to school? Apakah kamu pergi ke sekolah? Masalah turcesi bu gibi. Masalah orange misin. Orange misin. Apakah kamu murid? Apakah. We use apakah. Evet ya ada higher answer. Jawab. Apakah? Yes or no question. Apa means what? Ne. Siapa means who? Him. Keberapa? Berapa means how many? How many or how much? Bu, kaç demek. Keberapa? Keberapa? I don't know in English ya. Maybe it depends on the context ya. Keberapa? Keberapa means
which in order? In which order?
Yeah, which order? Yeah. Thank you, Abla. Which order we can say like this? Misal terjadi kaçıncı, değil mi? Kaçıncı. Kaçıncı. Di mana? What is the meaning of di mana?
Where?
Where? Ya, nerede? Kemana? Where to? Nereye? Dari mana?
Where from?
Where from? Ya, where from? Nereden? Yang mana? Which one? Ya. Means hangisi ya. Kapan? What is kapan?
When.
When, ya. Kapan mean when?
Ne zaman?
Ne zaman. Aynen. Ne zaman. Okay. And then we continue to mengapa. Here, mengapa. Mengapa. Sorry. This one. Mengapa. Mengapa or kenapa is the same. But kenapa is more informal. So mengapa is daha formal, daha resmi. Mengapa is more formal than kenapa. But the meaning is the same. Means why. Neden. Mengapa Anda terlambat? Why are you late? Mengapa? Mengapa Anda terlambat? Or I can say, kenapa Anda terlambat? It's okay. Both of them is okay, but mengapa is more formal. Kenapa kamu diam saja? Why are you quiet? Not saying anything. Kenapa kamu diam saja? Or mengapa kamu diam saja? So I can use mengapa or kenapa. It's the same meaning. Like why. But kenapa is informal. More informal. Mengapa daha resmi. So mengapa, kenapa is the same why meaning ya. It's also why. But mengapa is more formal. Is for informal. So, mengapa, kenapa. Genelde mesela Türkçesi bu neden ya? Belki kenapa bu niye boleh. Hangisi daha formal? Neden mi, niye mi?
Neden daha formal?
Neden değil mi? Ha, evet.
Bir şey. Çok doğru yazdınız o zaman.
Evet. O zaman mengapa bu neden gibi, kenapa bu yani niye gibi boleh. Mengapa why formal way, kenapa why also. So I can use both of them ya. We can choose one of them. Mengapa Anda terlambat? Why are you late? Kenapa kamu diam saja? Why are you quiet? All it's okay. For example, mengapa kamu tidak makan? What is the meaning of this? Mengapa kamu tidak makan?
Neden yemeğini yemedin mi?
Evet. Neden yemiyorsun değil mi?
Yemiyorsun.
Mengapa kamu tidak makan? This means like why you don't eat, or why don't you eat? Which one is true? Why don't you eat? Mengapa kamu tidak makan? Neden yemiyorsun? Mengapa kamu tidak makan? Or I can say kenapa kamu tidak makan? So it's okay both of them. Kenapa kamu tidak makan? But kenapa is informal. Mengapa adalah formal. More formal. Mengapa kamu tidak makan? Kenapa kamu tidak makan? Başka örnek verebilir misin? Bisa kasih contoh lain? Misalnya, mengapa? For example, mengapa kamu melakukan ini? What is the meaning of this? Mengapa kamu melakukan ini? Melakukan ne demek? What is the meaning of melakukan?
Do.
Do, ya. Yeah. Yap, make.
Why do you do this?
Yeah, why do you do this? Mengapa kamu melakukan ini? Why do you do this? Neden bu yapıyorsun? Demek. Neden bu yapıyorsun? Mengapa kamu melakukan ini? So we say, mengapa kamu melakukan ini? Or kenapa kamu melakukan ini? So why do you do this? Kenapa kamu melakukan ini? Neden bu yapıyorsun? Demek. Another example about mengapa?
Why do you learn in bahasa Indonesia? Oh.
Yeah. Why do you learn bahasa Indonesia? Try ya, Blah.
Mengapa kamu belajar?
Ya, belajar.
Belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Ya. Mengapa kamu belajar bahasa Indonesia? It means neden Indonesia öğreniyorsun demek. Mengapa kamu belajar bahasa Indonesia? Teşekkürler abla. Çok güzel örnek. Neden Indonesia öğreniyorsun? Mengapa kamu belajar bahasa Indonesia? Why do you learn bahasa Indonesia? It means like that. Or kenapa kamu belajar bahasa Indonesia? It's okay also. Kenapa? But generally in spoken language, Indonesian people say kenapa in spoken because it's informal ya. But for academic purpose, it's better to use mengapa because it's formal.
For example, if I want to say why the prices are higher or they have gone up.
Why the price is higher.
Yeah.
Ya. Mengapa harganya meningkat? Or I can say, mengapa harganya tinggi? It's okay also, but meningkat it's better. Meningkat mean increasing. Why the price is increasing? Higher, I can say higher like harganya lebih tinggi. So I can say also like this. Mengapa harganya lebih tinggi? Why the price is higher? High means tinggi, higher lebih tinggi. So neden bu fiyatı daha yüksek öyle mi? Mengapa harganya lebih tinggi? Or I can say meningkat. Meningkat also better. It means like increase. Increase. Mengapa harganya meningkat? Mengapa harganya lebih tinggi? Why the price is higher? Harga means price. Okay. Or kenapa? Kenapa harganya lebih tinggi? It's okay also. Is there any question? If no, we continue to how. How. How means bagaimana. In bahasa Indonesia we say bagaimana. Bu, yani nasıl demek. How. Bagaimana. So we say how. Bagaimana. Nasıl ya. Nasıl. Bagaimana? Bagaimana kabarmu? How are you? Nasılsın? Bagaimana kabarmu? Or I can say apa kabar? Apa kabar or bagaimana kabarmu is the same meaning. Bagaimana kabarmu? It means how are you? So if I translate this one by one, bagaimana means how. Kabar means haber. How is the news? How is your news? So kabar, bagaimana means how. Nasıl. Nasıl. Kabar. Kabar means haber. News ya. How is the news? News. Haber. So haber nasıl boleh. Haber nasıl. Bagaimana kabarmu? Mu means here you. Your news. So I can use kabarmu. It means kabar kamu. Kabar kamu. So I make it shorter to kabarmu. It means like your news. Senin haberin. Ulurmu boleh. Bagaimana kabarmu? So how are you? It means how are you? Apa kabar? It's also okay when we say apa kabar. Bagaimana kabarmu? It means nasılsın. Bagaimana kabarmu? How are you? Bagaimana cara mengupas kelapa? How do we open a coconut? Mengupas mean peeling actually, but literally like here literally peel, but in English we say like open ya. Bagaimana membuka kelapa, but we say mengupas. Mengupas mean peeling. Bagaimana? Bagaimana how? Caranya, cara means the way. How is the way to peel coconut? Coconut means kelapa. Bagaimana caranya mengupas kelapa? So it's just an example about how. Bagaimana. So we say bagaimana. Another example. Bagaimana cuaca hari ini? What is the meaning of bagaimana cuaca hari ini? Cuaca. Cuacanya demek weather. Yeah, how is the weather? How is the weather today? So, hawa nasıl bugün? Hawa nasıl bugün? Bagaimana cuaca hari ini? Cuaca means weather. How is the weather today? Bagaimana cuaca hari ini? Cuaca means weather. Bagaimana? We use bagaimana here. How? Another example. Bagaimana? Bagaimana apa ya? Örnek verebilir misiniz abla? Bisa kasih contoh? Another example. Bagaimana caranya kamu apa ya? Bagaimana caranya kamu bagaimana kamu melakukan itu? What is the meaning of this? Bagaimana kamu melakukan itu?
How can you do this?
Yeah. How can you do this? How can you do that? Bagaimana kamu melakukan itu? How do you do that? This means how do you do that? But masalah how can you do that? Bagaimana kamu bisa melakukan itu? Bagaimana kamu bisa melakukan itu? Bisa means can. So how can you do that? How can you do that? Bagaimana kamu melakukan itu? How do you do that? Nasıl bunu yapabilirsin? How nasıl bunu yapıyorsun? Öyle mi? Bagaimana kamu melakukan itu? Bagaimana kamu bisa melakukan itu? Nasıl bunu yapabilirsin? Öyle. Bagaimana kamu melakukan itu? How do you do that? Bagaimana kamu bisa melakukan itu? How can do you do that? Bisa here means can. So we can use bagaimana here. Okay. Is there any question? Sorular var mı about how? Bagaimana? Means nasıl.
How can I get to the mosque, for example? How can I ask? How can I get to the mosque? If I want to find the way and asking people.
Yeah. How can I
get
get to the mosque? Bagaimana saya bisa pergi ke masjid? So, yeah, get here we can translate literally like how can I go to the mosque, like that. Because get we cannot translate get. The context is different here. Get means dapat. Dapat. Get means dapat. But when we say how can I get to the mosque, we translate this to how can I go to the mosque. Bagaimana saya bisa pergi ke masjid? Pergi means go. But when I say bagaimana saya dapat ke masjid, it's not make sense in Indonesian language. So we say bagaimana saya bisa pergi ke masjid. So we say like that. Or I can say bagaimana caranya saya ke masjid. Bagaimana caranya saya bisa ke masjid. So it means like how is the way I can get to the mosque. The way. Cara means way. Cara means way. Bagaimana caranya saya bisa ke masjid? How can I get to the mosque? Bagaimana saya bisa pergi ke masjid? Or how is the way that I can get to the mosque? Bagaimana caranya saya bisa ke masjid or pergi ke masjid? So we use pergi. Bu, yani jamye nasıl gidebilirim boleh? Demek. Bagaimana saya bisa pergi ke masjid? Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan lagi, Abla? No? If no, we continue. This bagaimana, and then what else we have in this book? Okay. So I make summarize, yeah, before we continue to the next page. So we already learned summarize in bahasa. What is summarize? Ringkasan. Ringkasan means summarize. Summary. Ringkasan. So we for question words, we say in bahasa kata kata pertanyaan ya, kata tanya, we say like kata tanya, question words. Ringkasan, we say the first apakah. Apakah means for yes or no question, yeah. Before we already write also for yes or no question. Like do, does, is, are, something. Yes or no question ya. Evet ya da hayır boleh. Misalnya sormang istiyorum bu, apakah bulan Malayam? Apakah? And then we learn apa. Apa means what? Ne. And then what else? Siapa. Siapa means who? Kim. And then what else? Berapa. Berapa means how many or how much. Bu Yani nekadar. Ya da ya nekadar ya. Nekadar. But when I say berapa buah, berapa biji, berapa buah, it's okay also like kaç tane demek. Berapa. What else we learn? Keberapa. What is keberapa?
Which order?
Yeah, which order? Kaçıncı? Kaç. Ne kadar buda olur aslında berapa kaç yani mesela berapa kaç ya dan ne kadar ya olur ya. Misalnya berapa. Misalnya fiyat için berapa dah olur, berapa harganya. Yani ne kadar boleh demek. Misalnya berapa buah, kaç tane boleh, berapa buah. How many, how much is okay. And then keberapa it means kaçıncı ya, which order. And then what else we learn? Di mana ya? Di mana? What is di mana?
Where to?
Where? Ya, where? Nerede? And then kemana?
Where to?
Means where to? Ya, it means nereye. And what else? Dari mana? Where from? This means nereden. And then what else? Yang mana? Yang mana? Which? Yeah, which one? It means hangisi. What else we already learned? Kapan ya? What is kapan?
When?
When. Yeah, kapan it means when. Ne zaman. What else?
Mengapa?
Mengapa?
Mengapa? Yeah, mengapa or kenapa, right? It means why. And then niye,
Yasin.
and then bagaimana, right? Bagaimana. It means how. Nasıl demek. Bazen bagaimana Indonesian people say gimana. Gimana. This is informal ya. This is informal for bagaimana. So bagaimana is formal, gimana is informal. Buda nasıl demek. Ama resmi değil. Spoken language. Spoken language we say gimana. So if Ablalar in Indonesia, maybe Indonesian people say gimana, not bagaimana. So gimana is for informal way. Informal. Bagaimana. Okay. What else I can add here? For example, sampai kapan? I can add here sampai kapan. What is the meaning of sampai kapan? Sampai kapan? Sampai kapan means until when.
Until when?
Yeah. Sampai means like until or when blah blah blah to. Yeah, it's okay also. It means ne zamana kadar. So sampai kapan? It means ne zamana kadar. Until when? Sampai kapan? What else I can add here? For example here, I can add di siapa. Di siapa. What is the meaning of di siapa? Di siapa. Like here, di mana nerede. Misalnya di siapa kimde. Varma misalnya Turkcesi kimde. It means like at who or di siapa.
Like, benim kitabım kimde?
Evet, var değil mi? Mesela Türkçesi kimde öyle. Aynı. İndonesia'da var. Di siapa. For example, I want to add dari siapa. It's also okay. Dari siapa. From who. It means kimden. Var mı mesela Türkçesi kimden? Bu dari siapa. I can also add here ke siapa. Ke siapa. To who. Yeah. This means kime. Evet. Ke siapa. So we can say like this. Siapa is mean who. Di siapa at who. Ke siapa to who. Kime. Dari siapa from who. Kim then. And then what else? Dengan siapa. What is dengan siapa?
With whom?
Yeah, with whom? With whom ya? Dengan siapa? Yani Kim Min Le demek. Kim Min Le dengan siapa? I also can use here dengan apa, for example. Dengan apa? What is the meaning of dengan apa?
Ne ile. With what?
Ne ile. Yeah. With what? Ne ile. Demek. Oh ile. Dengan apa? So there are we can modification ya ke siapa, yani kime, dengan siapa. Misalnya dengan siapa kamu pergi, with who do you go, kiminle gidiyorsun, oleh, dengan siapa kamu pergi, olur, oleh, kiminle gidiyorsun, dengan siapa. What else I can add here? Bu, dari kapan? Dari kapan? What is the meaning of dari kapan?
From what time?
Yeah, from what time? From what time or from what time? From when? From what time? Yani Bu, ne zamandan. Var mı ne zamandan?
Ne zamandan, yes. Ne zamandan beri Endonezya'dasın. How can we ask?
Nasıl?
Dari
Ne
kapan?
zaman? Dari
Ne
kapan?
zamandan beri? From what time are you in Indonesia? Like, ne zamandan beri Endonezya'dasın? Like, can we ask?
Sejak kapan kamu di Indonesia? Sejak kapan kamu di Indonesia? Sejak kapan Bu? Since when? Since. Sejak means very well, ada mana satu sesi?
Yes.
Sejak kapan? Ya. Ya ada. I can also use dari kapan instead of sejak. Dari kapan kamu di Indonesia? From what time you already in Indonesia? This means like that. Sejak kapan is okay also. Sejak means like since when? Since. Okay, both of them is okay. Dari kapan? From what time? Is there any question, Abla? About question word? This apakah? I repeat again how to pronounce. Apakah? Apa? Siapa? Berapa? This one berapa ya, not berapa but berapa. This one ke berapa, not ke berapa, not like that, but ke berapa. Di mana, ke mana, dari mana, yang mana, yang mana, kapan, mengapa. This one not menggapa but mengapa. So I can say like this. Sondra nga, sondra pa. Mengapa. So we say this. Mengapa or kenapa. But kenapa is informal, mengapa is more formal. Bagaimana, it means how, nasal. For informal way, we say gimana, gimana. Okay. Is there any question for this? Maybe can screenshot ya. But I will send also this recording on WhatsApp later. This one. Or maybe you can take note for this summary for question words. Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan? Sorular warma. Şimdi kada. Kalau nggak ada,
like how long? How can we ask how long? For example,
how long? Yeah. How long is berapa lama? Not bagaimana lama ya. Ya, is different. I can write in where ya. How long? How long it's this one? So I can add here ya. How long? Berapa lama? Not bagaimana. It means how long. Yeah, it's different. How long? Berapa lama? How is bagaimana, right? Long, we say like lama. Yeah, we say like this. But we don't say bagaimana lama, but we say berapa lama. We say use berapa. Here in Indonesia, it's different. So how long? Berapa lama? It means like, for example, how long do you, how long? Example abla, Anje, how long?
How long it's raining?
How long is it's going?
It is raining. Raining.
Ah, is it raining?
Hujan.
Raining. How long is raining? Berapa lama hujannya?
Hujannya.
Iya, hujannya. Berapa
For
lama?
example, how long are you working as a teacher?
Yeah.
Or are you a
How
doctor?
long? How
Are you a
long
doctor?
are you working as a doctor? Yeah. Doctor means also doctor we say. Berapa lama kamu bekerja sebagai dokter? So how long it means berapa lama are you working? Kamu bekerja as here sebagai a doctor, seorang dokter. I can say here like seorang, insan, diri. Doctor. So how long are you working as a doctor? Berapa lama kamu bekerja sebagai seorang dokter? Okay. Or I can delete seorang is okay also. It means like there is no a here. Berapa lama kamu bekerja sebagai dokter? Is okay also. So we say berapa lama ya, bukan not bagaimana, because how is bagaimana, but we don't say bagaimana lama is not make sense in bahasa. So how long it means berapa lama, something. Okay. Is there any question, Abla? Ada pertanyaan lain? Baska sorular var mı? So we continue. This one, okay. Let make some exercise, latihan ya. Some exercise. Who is she? How can I say in bahasa Indonesia? Who is she?
Siapa dia?
Ya, siapa dia? Ya, olur. İkisi de olur. Yani bu o kim demek, o kim. In bahasa we say siapa dia? Siapa dia? Or dia siapa? Both of them is okay in bahasa. Siapa dia? Who is she? Dia siapa? O kim yani demek. O kim. Okay. And then what page, Miss? How can I say what page, Miss?
Halaman berapa?
Ya, halaman berapa? Not apa. Ya, but we say berapa. So halaman berapa? Halaman berapa, Miss? Bu, we say like halaman berapa, Bu? We say like that. Halaman berapa? So what page? Yani Bu, halaman berapa? Bu, kaç kaçıncı sayfa ya? Halaman berapa? What page, Miss? Bu, halaman berapa, Bu? True. And then?
Berapa halaman is the same, huh? Halaman berapa?
It's different. Yeah, for example, I say halaman berapa? Halaman berapa? It means kaçıncı sayfa. Ama mesela berapa halaman?
How many pages like?
How many pages? Berapa halaman means kaç sayfa var demek.
Okay, I see.
Like that. Okay. And then how are you? How can I say how are you in bahasa? How are you?
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar or bagaimana keadaanmu? Ya.
Kabar.
Apa kabar or bagaimana kabarmu? It's okay. Both of them is the same. It means like naselsen, demek. Apa kabar or bagaimana kabarmu? So both of them the same meaning. We can choose one of them. Okay. And then why is he crying? How can I say in bahasa?
Mengapa dia
Crying?
Ya, crying menangis. Mengapa dia menangis? Ya, it's true. Menangis means cry. Alamak ya, alamak. Mengapa dia menangis or This is for formal way. For informal way, I can say kenapa. Kenapa dia menangis? Both of them is okay. Mengapa dia menangis? Why is he crying? Kenapa dia menangis? Eine, demek, is the same. Neden alıyor. Neden alıyor. Okay. Okay. So for today lesson is enough, I think, for question word. Inshallah, gelecek hafta next week we can learn again how from this book. Is it okay, Abla? So if we learn from this book, I think this book is good because the grammar and it's also there is English also, right? Ada pertanyaan sampai di sini? Sorular var mı? Tidak ada. Yeah, it's enough for today. Thank you for coming today. I will send the recording on WhatsApp group so Ablalar can check again and taking a note again. Thank you so much, Kendini, Bak. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.